easy go.
Hello smart people, Miss Ace here. This video is for 8th grade student. Today is Monday, November 6, 2023. Today we're going to go over Quizzette 1 and 2 and then our string project. Okay, we're going to do our string project if Miss Barker was in class. If she's not in class, what you're going to do is we will go to the iReady. You're going to learn the lesson from iReady lesson. Okay, for the R string projects, you're going to work with needles. Okay, it's not a sharp needles, but it will hurt if you poke each other. Please be careful. Do not do anything crazy that get yourself in trouble. Okay, again, the needle is not sharp, but it still hurt if you poke it, if you poke someone with it. Alright, number 1, find the slope of the line, pass it through 2 points. Okay, so we practiced on this one last week. Slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I forgot to say, please write your name on the paper. Write your name on the paper. x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, as we practice, y2 is 6. So that will give you 6 minus y1. y1 is negative 3. Negative 3. Okay. So as you say that the first negative sign comes from the formula, the second negative sign comes from the number itself. Okay. x2 is negative 2. So we have negative 2 minus x1, which is 4. Minus 4. So then we're going to work it out. 2 negative will turn positive. So 6 plus 3, that will give you 9, over negative 2 minus 4. Same sign, add them up, which is 6. Keep the sign of the larger number, which is negative 4. So that will be negative 6. Then we're going to reduce our fraction by 3. That will give us negative 3 over 2. Negative 3 over 2. Okay. The negative sign can be on top, at the bottom, or in the middle. It cannot be both. Okay. Negative sign, again, negative sign can be moved to the top, the bottom, or right in the middle, but it cannot be at both number, top and bottom. Alright, number 2, we're going to graph this. Last week on Thursday, we did explore this one a little bit, so here's the procedure. It's going to be easier than you think, because right now I'm going to tell you the procedure how to actually graph this. So y equal to mx plus b. Oh, b, my bad. Please write this. You know what? I should write it like write down the way that I'm about to write down. Please write it in the same place on your paper. Y equal to mx plus b. Okay, so by lining them up, you say that m equal to 2. M equal to 2. Your b will equal to negative 3. Okay, make sure you're carrying the sign with that. B is negative 3. The slope will tell you rise over run, and the b or the y-intercept will tell you the beginning. Okay, b is the beginning. You're gonna begin at negative 3 on the y-axis. So this is the y, this is the x. B is negative 3. Let me highlight it so you can see it next time too. Okay, your beginning point always on this line. Negative 3 is right here. Okay, that's your starting point. The beginning. Okay. Now the slope is 2, which is rise over run, which you need in fraction. Rise over run. So 2 to write in fraction, you're going to put 2 over 1. 2 divided by 1 is still 2. If it's a whole number, you're going to put 2 over 1. So that tells you to rise up 2 and run 1. From the beginning point, you go up 2 because it's right 2, and then run 1 to the right because it's positive 1. One more time, right 2, run 1. Again, right 2, run 1. So that is the pattern for you to draw a line. Right 2, run 1. Use the same pattern that will give you a set of points that line up with each other to form a straight line, like that. Okay. Take a second, think about it. If you need to listen to this problem again, pause the video and then listen to problem number 2. Okay. Next one. Write it the same way that I'm writing it right now. Y equal to mx plus b. Okay. So in this case, your slope is 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Your b, you don't see any number here. So what would you put if you don't see any? It's 0. It's nada, right? Sorry, I just realized that I used the yellow highlighter for the B, so I'm going to do it the same yellow highlighter for B. Okay, and M is 3 over 2. B equal to 0. Okay, so as I told you earlier, B is the y-intercept, which is on the y-axis. This line. So B is 0, so it's going to be right here. Your y-intercept or B is always go along this vertical line. It's always on this vertical line. So B is 0. Slope is 3 over 2. Will tell you rise over run, which means you write up to 3 and run 2. 1, 2, 3, run 2. Okay, we can repeat that one more time. 1, 2, 3, run 2. Okay, you can do it again, but it's going to be out of the graph, so I can stop at this 3 points. We can draw the line, go through this 3 points. Okay. Alright, last problem here, number 4. Let's see if I can move my screen to the side really quick. Perfect. Okay, if you want, you can try it out before I tell you the answer. Pause the video, write down y equal to mx plus b. Let's see, can you graph this one by yourself? Okay, y equal to mx plus b. Okay, so what is your b? B is 3. If you say 3, is correct. B is 3. What is your slope? Slope is negative 3 over 2. So as I told you earlier, that it can be either on top or bottom. So I would choose to put it on top. Okay, so beginning, where would it be? It's always on this vertical line. B equal to 3 is right here. 3 half. So rise over run. But in this case, it's tiny different. It's negative 3, so you go down instead of up. Any other problem was positive number, so you go up. If it's negative number, you go down. The 2 is positive, so you go to the right. So this time you're going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Over 2, 1, 2. One, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, maybe one more time. I have room. 1, 2, 3. And over 2. Alright, so that's it. That is we're going to draw the line, go through those points. Right here, sorry. Okay, that's it for the Quizzette. I want you to try day 2. If Ms. Barker in class, he can walk you through the problem. If Ms. Barker is not in class, you can do day 2 and hold on to it. We're going to talk about the answer when I come back. Okay, the next one is either arc string project or topic go on iReady. Alright, thanks guys for watching. See you later.